Okay, question 12 says, given the following information, determine which beta coefficient for stock A is consistent with equilibrium. So we're trying to find beta at equilibrium, meaning that the left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. Okay, so we can find beta by simply using our formula, which is here, and we can just plug and chug to find our beta. So in order to find beta, we must first isolate it. We can isolate beta by doing the following, okay? We can subtract the risk-free rate from the required return, so we can move this to the other side of the equal sign. And when we do that, it's going to be a negative, okay? And then once we do that, we can divide this whole thing by the market risk premium. That will give us our beta. Okay. So now what we can do, we can plug and chug. So our required return is 11.3%. The risk-free rate is, the risk-free return is 5%. Market risk premium is also 5%. So we're trying to find beta. So what we can do to find beta is subtract the risk-free rate from the required return. So okay, that's this part of the equation. Then we can divide by the market risk premium. So market risk premium, if we divide that, leaves us with a beta of 1.26, which corresponds with our answer choice B.